How to preserve fresh garlic for 1 year without it going bad. Pickled garlic. Hello, nice to see you again on the Great Tips channel. For 40 years of living and cooking, I thought preserving garlic was a difficult task, but recently I was blown away when I discovered extremely simple but surprisingly effective ways. Before, I was always struggling to find a way to keep garlic from drying out and sprouting, because my whole family loves garlic, an indispensable ingredient in the kitchen, both delicious and with many health benefits. How about you? Have you ever had a headache because you bought a lot of garlic, and before you could use it, it got moldy and you had to throw it away? What a waste! Don't worry. Today, I will share with you some small but magical tips to help keep garlic fresh all year long without spoiling. Let's explore. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. When buying garlic, there are 2 main types: purple garlic and white garlic. Purple garlic is spicier and retains its characteristic aroma even when cooked at high temperatures. White garlic is more popular, has a high yield, is juicy, has a strong spicy taste, and is crispy when eaten raw. If you like to eat it raw or pickled, choose white garlic. If you use it for stir-frying, purple garlic will be more delicious. Each type has its own advantages. You choose according to your needs. When buying garlic, if you see the outer skin is peeled, you should not buy it. The outer skin is like a protective layer of skin for the garlic bulb, keeping moisture and preventing bacteria from entering. If peeled, the garlic will quickly lose water and the aromatic compounds will evaporate, making the garlic no longer fragrant. In addition, garlic is more susceptible to spoilage. Here are some ways to preserve garlic that you should know. First way, preserve with baking soda and dry tea. Use paper towels or gauze. Take out the garlic, sprinkle a little baking soda and a little dry tea on the towel, wrap it up and tie it tightly. Where are you from? It's great to know we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. Put this small bag in the garlic bag, squeeze the air and tie it tightly. Tea has polyphenols that help prevent garlic from sprouting and also absorb odors and moisture well. Baking soda also helps absorb moisture, preventing garlic from absorbing water. Garlic only sprouts when there is enough humidity and temperature. If it cannot absorb water, the garlic will not sprout. Hang the garlic bag in a cool, dry place. When eating, just open it, take out the garlic and tie it up. The garlic will not wither or sprout for half a year. Method 2. Preserve with rice. Place garlic in the middle of the rice bin, bury it deep and cover it with rice. Rice is a food used all year round in the house. If the rice is at risk of weevils, garlic contains allicin, a pungent smell, which will help repel weevils' eggs. Dry rice helps keep the garlic dry, preventing it from sprouting. The two support each other, both preventing weevils and preserving garlic. Very convenient. Method 3. Preserve with a black plastic bag. Prepare a black plastic bag and put the garlic inside. Then, take a piece of paper towel or gauze. Add 2 tablespoons of salt and a few slices of fresh ginger. Put everything on the towel, wrap it up and tie it tightly with a rubber band so that the salt does not fall out. Put the salted ginger bag into the garlic bag. Squeeze out all the air, tie the bag tightly and store in a dry place. This method can keep the garlic fresh for up to 1 year. Ginger has a spicy property that helps fight bacteria and absorb moisture. Salt also has a similar effect. The black bag helps block light, thereby preventing the garlic from sprouting. Even after 1 year, the garlic is still not spoiled. Method 4. Preserve with tobacco. Put the garlic in a food storage bag. Prepare 2 cigarettes. Many people think that cigarettes are only for smoking, but they can also be used to preserve garlic. 5 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Fahrenheit, is ideal. Anything higher will cause the garlic to sprout. Cold helps prevent sprouting, but the refrigerator is high in humidity, which can cause garlic to rot if it is too moist. The nicotine in cigarettes helps absorb moisture, keeping the garlic dry and preventing it from sprouting or rotting. Garlic will stay fresh for several months. Method 5. Store in a sealed jar. Separate the garlic cloves, discarding soft, damaged, or rotten cloves to avoid spreading to the other cloves. If you find peeling garlic a hassle, try this trick. It's very simple. Take the bottle cap, use the edge of the cap to gently press on the garlic clove, then pull the skin off. This method helps you peel garlic twice as fast, requires less effort, and doesn't leave a smell on your hands. From now on, peeling garlic is no longer a difficult task. This is a small tip, but always gets compliments. The smell of garlic makes the dish more attractive, and with this quick peeling method, you can absolutely do it. After peeling, put the garlic in an airtight jar, close the lid tightly, and put it in the freezer. This method can be preserved for 3 to 6 months. The garlic is still delicious, very convenient when needed. After each use, remember to close the jar tightly. Method 6. Garlic soaked in vinegar. Natural antibiotic. If you have a lot of garlic at home, don't let it wilt for too long and waste it. Try this simple vinegar soaking method. It's delicious and helps increase the resistance of the whole family, especially in the cold season. First, separate each clove of garlic, discarding any damaged, moldy, or dried cloves. I use Vietnamese garlic, small bulbs but firm and fragrant, very suitable for soaking in vinegar. Put the garlic in a large bowl, pour in water, and soak for about 1 hour. This little tip helps soften the garlic and make peeling much easier. After soaking, rinse with clean water, then peel. Large cloves should be split in half so that the garlic can absorb more quickly when soaked. The characteristic aroma of garlic at this point will make you want to eat it right away. Garlic is famous for its antibacterial properties, increases resistance, and helps prevent colds naturally, so having a jar in the house is a peace of mind during the cold season. Put the pre-processed garlic in a glass jar, about 400 milliliters. Add to the jar 1 teaspoon of salt, a little rock sugar to create a light sweetness, 300 milliliters of vinegar, a few slices of fresh chili if you like a spicy taste. Pour in cooled boiled water until the garlic is completely covered. Close the lid tightly, shake gently to dissolve the spices. Place the jar in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. After 7 to 10 days, you can use it. The longer you leave it, the more flavorful the garlic will be, the more beautiful the color, and the richer the flavor. Stored properly, you can use it all year round without worrying about spoilage. So I have just shared some great tips for preserving garlic, a small ingredient but with huge benefits. Which method do you think is best for you? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like to support me. Share it with your family and friends so everyone knows how to properly preserve garlic and protect their health every day. And remember to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any great tips in the next videos. Subscribe to the Great Tips channel if you haven't done so yet, because there are many interesting secrets waiting for you to discover. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. See you in the next shares.